Welcome to this tutorial on getting SLDN using a Solana wallet. I'll guide you through the simple steps to claim your tokens easily. First, install the Solflare app from the App Store or Google Play to get started. Let's dive in. Click on Create New Wallet. Press Show and copy the phrases. Then click on Skip for now. Enter and re-enter a new password. You have the option to enable biometrics. For now, I choose Not Now to proceed more quickly. This is your wallet's main page where you can buy, receive, swap, and more. Click here to get your wallet address. Press and hold this section to copy the address. Click and copy your Solana wallet address. Go to selldone.com and click on Play and Win. Alternatively, you can visit selldone.com Shark token directly. Click on Login to sign up or sign in. Click Sign up for free, or if you're already a user, log in. There are several ways to sign up. Once you're done, you'll be directed to the onboarding page. On this page, you can finalize your registration, but for now, it's enough. Simply click on Play and Win. Paste your wallet address into the field and click Play Free and Get Coins. Scroll down to find the coupon code field. For the current campaign, enter PH2025 in uppercase letters. Please note that these coupon codes are temporary. Click on one card to get your coin. And just like that, you've successfully completed the process. Now, all that's left is to wait. The Selldone team will credit your wallet shortly. Keep an eye on your balance and enjoy your SLDN tokens. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with others. Happy earning!